UVC LEDs bring effective, efficient, and sustainable disinfection power to water treatment applications. They support sustainable growth for new products and applications that meet the rising demands for safe water. They are tuned to emit the ideal germicidal wavelength, allowing for highly effective disinfection. With longer lifespans than traditional mercury bulbs, UVC LEDs can last the entire lifetime of a consumer appliance while also enabling on-demand operation to reduce energy consumption. They eliminate the need for annual bulb replacement, reduce the risk of unplanned maintenance, and offer a mercury-free alternative for disinfection. And while the applications for UV disinfection continue to grow, the growth for lamp-based applications remains relatively flat. UVC LEDs are transforming the water system market by supporting the move away from single-use plastics, ensuring critical protection of water systems, particularly at the point of dispensing, reducing equipment downtime, easing labor demands from unplanned maintenance or hazardous waste removal, and improving access to safe water. UVC LEDs from Crystal IS bring the promise of solid-state lighting to UV systems to deliver sustainable, efficient, and effective disinfection for the lifetime of your product.